So I've had this water heater since October of 2005, and I just took the anode rod out. That wasn't exactly easy. Here's the model number. None of the online parts sites know anything about that model number, which isn't too surprising given that it's 19 years old. But so that water heater is in a closed circuit that's just for radiant floor heat. And here's the anode rod. So when I drained the tank first, this came out. I guess that's magnesium oxide or something. Don't really know. And here's the rod. It's 53 inches long. And as you can see, it did exactly what it was supposed to do. It gave its life for the water heater. The water heater still lives because this rod gave its life. So the thing I don't like is that a replacement rod, not available from Whirlpool, is $107. Supplyhouse.com, Bradford White. I guess I'll buy one. Anyhow, that's kind of interesting. That's all I got to say about that.